Your Flex Pocket comes ready to take payments in just minutes. In the box, you'll find your Flex Pocket, a silicone protective sleeve, a power cord, and a quick start guide. Let's get your Flex connected. First, connect the power cable to the device, then to a power source. Press and hold the power button until the Clover logo appears. Select the language for your setup. Next, we'll connect to Wi-Fi and activate your device. We'll also cover adding an optional cellular data service plan later in our setup. Tap Select a Network and choose your wireless network. Enter the network password and tap Connect. Once connected to the internet, your device may download and install the latest version of Clover software. It will restart when complete. Meanwhile, Clover will send you an email with an activation code for your device. You can also find it by logging into your Clover web dashboard. If you have multiple Clover devices, each device has its own unique activation code. Use the device serial number to match it with the right code. On the activation screen, enter the 8-digit activation code. Your device will now update the apps that come pre-installed on your system. Here, you can enable optional cellular data service for a monthly charge. Your Flex Pocket comes feature loaded. Here are a few of the features you'll love. Getting started with Flex Pocket is fast and easy. Your account settings can be configured and managed from the Clover web dashboard. And when you're ready to take payments, simply add items to an order and follow the device prompts. To learn more about getting started, go to clover.com/help.